The deadlift is a widely used compound exercise with weights and is highly effective for increasing strength by activating the largest muscles in the legs and lower back. In this video, I'll explain what will happen to your body if you do deadlifts every day, so watch until the end, it will be interesting. Let's go. During the deadlift, all muscle groups are involved, but primarily the legs, especially the back of the thighs and the back. Additionally, the abs act as stabilizers during the exercise, while the trapezius and forearms are heavily engaged, and the hands experience a good static load. Let's now move on to the other benefits of the deadlift. It is one of the best exercises for training the hip extensors, including the gluteus maximus and the muscles at the back of the thighs. Research suggests that deadlifts may be more effective than squats for training these muscles. However, barbell squats also have their own unique benefits and remain an essential component of a balanced training program. Low back pain is a common issue among both men and women. Although various causes require different treatment approaches, research indicates that deadlifts can be an effective tool to reduce mild low back pain. However, correct deadlift technique with a neutral spine position is crucial. Only with proper form will the exercise avoid aggravating pain. It's essential to consult a doctor before incorporating deadlifts into a treatment plan for low back pain. Furthermore, jumping ability, which reflects overall lower body strength, can be improved significantly through deadlifts. Studies demonstrate that this exercise enhances maximum jump performance. Another notable benefit is its impact on bone health. Decreased bone mineral density is a common issue with aging, often leading to osteoporosis and increased fracture risk. Strength training, including deadlifts, has been shown to slow age-related bone density loss. The increase in bone density is localized to the muscles involved in the movement, particularly the legs and hips, making deadlifts a valuable tool for combating bone loss when combined with other strength exercises. Deadlifts also play a crucial role in strengthening the core muscles, a key aspect of any balanced training program. Research has highlighted the activation and strengthening of stabilizing muscles like the external obliques, rectus abdominis, and spinal erectors during deadlifts and other free weight exercises. Additionally, weight loss enthusiasts can benefit from deadlifts as part of their regimen. Effective weight loss requires a calorie deficit achieved through dietary changes and increased physical activity. Research shows that deadlifts are highly effective for burning calories and can reduce overall gym time while increasing energy expenditure. When performing deadlifts, correct technique is critical to avoid injury, as the risk is high with improper form. To execute a deadlift, place your feet hip-width apart, push your hips back, tilt your body forward, and grip the barbell with both hands. Straighten your chest and shoulders, keep your gaze forward, engage your back muscles, and arch your lower back before lifting the barbell. While lowering the bar, push your hips back and slightly bend your knees, maintaining a straight back. If you find yourself unable to keep proper form, it's likely because the weight is too heavy. It's also important to note that deadlifts are not suitable for everyone. Individuals with spine or knee problems, high blood pressure, or heart disease should avoid this exercise due to its high demands on the cardiovascular system. Finally, remember to check out other videos on this channel for more valuable content. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.